Martin, the firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from beautiful Langley, British Columbia. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to review the new Ecobee Enhanced Thermostat. Let's talk about the features of this new thermostat, but full disclosure, I use ChatGPT to write the script for this review, but I concur with everything that it has to say. And it didn't program me to say that. The Ecobee Enhanced Smart Thermostat is packed with technologies that makes it a standout product in the market. It has a sleek and modern design with a touchscreen display that's easy to navigate. It also comes with a mobile app that allows you to control the thermostat from anywhere in the world, even when you're not home. One of the standout features of the Ecobee Enhanced Smart Thermostat is its ability to learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. This means that it can automatically turn down the heat or air conditioning when you're away, and then turn it back on when you return, which can save you money on your energy bills, and we love that. Another great feature of this thermostat is its compatibility with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means that you can control the temperature with your voice, which is a convenient feature for those who want a hands-free experience, just like me. And yes, she does talk to Siri. Set the Ecobee to 22 degrees.
Okay, which room?
Living room.
Did you want to set your living room to 22 degrees?
Yes.
I'm not sure what you mean. Could you rephrase that?
Now let's talk about installation. The Ecobee Enhanced Smart Thermostat comes with a step-by-step guide that makes installation easy, even if you're not a DIY expert like yours truly. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the whole process should take you about 30 minutes. If you're doing it yourself, follow all the precautions in the app and take lots of pictures before you start pulling wires. Overall, I highly recommend the Ecobee Enhanced Smart Thermostat. It's packed with features that make it a standout product in the market, and it's easy to install and use. If you're looking for a thermostat that can save you money on your energy bills and make your home more comfortable, then this is definitely a product worth considering. Now here's a few shots of the Ecobee in real life. Hey, that's it for my review of the Ecobee Enhanced Smart Thermostat. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. Thanks for watching.